things you must know about Japan. Hi, my name is Erica. I'm a Filipina. I've been living here in Japan for 21 years now, and I'm gonna share my thoughts, my experience about living here. So this is not my phone talking in front of the camera, showing you what my thoughts are. So I'm not really good in speaking, so pasensyahan nyo na. Okay. First things first, respect. As long as you respect them, you're good. Even if you don't know their manners, okay lang yan. Before, I put the baby on the table. And then, pinagalitan ako kasi they told me it's not a good manner. Sa Pilipinas, lagi kong ginagawa yun sa mga baby. And nobody tells me that it's not good. So, wala nagpupuna sa akin. So, I thought that was fine here in Japan. But, no. But, if you don't know those kind of manners, it's okay. As long as you respect them, wala kayong problema. Marunong ka lang mag-thank you, marunong ka lang mag-sorry, marunong ka lang mag-excuse me. Ngayon, mas marunong ka lang magpo kasi basta galangin mo lang sila and you're good. And then second, may pangalawa pa nga ba? Okay, ano ba yung pangalawa? Always sumimasen comes first to them. So kahit anong mangyari, sumimasen comes first. They wanna say thank you, they're gonna say sumimasen first, and then sumimasen, arigatou gozaimasu. Something like that. But hindi ibig sabihin na nagsusorry sila sa'yo. Their kind of way to say it a polite way. Maybe. I still don't know bakit laging sumimasen na uuna sa kanila. They're gonna say, excuse me, sumimasen, gomenasai, torimasu. And they're gonna say, thank you, sumimasen, arigatou gozaimasu. They're gonna call you, mauuna, not hello, hindi moshi-moshi, kundi, sumimasen, oisugashii toko sumimasen. Something like that. Or, I don't know, that's their culture. That's their kind of polite way to say things. Ano pa ba yung third? Pangatlo is that Japanese loves to celebrate. Hindi nyo man masyadong napapansin, but Japanese people are really, really entertaining. Hindi sila masyadong showy, but here in Japan, there's so many events every summer, every autumn, winter, spring, lahat yan, meron silang event. Tinatawag silang Matsuri, which is the festival here in Japan. They love Matsuri here in Japan. But hindi sila tulad sa Pilipinas or like other countries na they're very showy in their emotions because hindi sila lumaki na ganun. For me, my husband, his emotions are not really fully developed. hindi siya masyadong showy sa emotions nila kasi parang lumaki sila na iiyak ka, hindi ka pwedeng umiyak. Hindi ka pwedeng madapa. Hindi ka pwedeng sumigaw. Hindi ka pwedeng magwala. Bawal ganun. Bawal dito. Walang ganun. Lumaki sila na hindi nila masyadong nalalabas yung emotions nila. The way they celebrate din is very quiet. But they do love fun things. Katulad natin. It's just they don't know how. They just don't know how because they've been controlled during their childhood. Bago sila magwala, tinatakpan na. So, ganun lang talaga. Sa Pilipinas, kahit magtakbo ka lang dyan ng walang damit, okay lang, walang mamansin sa'yo, walang pakialam ng mga tao sa'yo. But dito, sa Japan, they judge you. Yun lang yung pinagkakaiba dito is that, ganun, like, gets you ba? Ako, hindi ko masyadong sabi ko, basta, yun na yun. So anyways, those are the 3 things that I have saw or experienced, my thoughts about Japan. So yeah, habang ginanahan ako ulit, I'm gonna do this kind of videos again. So let me know in the comment below if you wanna see more kind of this video kahit hindi ako marunong salita ng kung ano man yun. But yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Ciao!